Hello, my people from Untouchable Mama. I greet the full house. Also, now they fine. Una do as una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una. Now the update of this our late brother, Dr. Oguname. Now I wan talk about so. So I will still put the video clip. More na still hear wetin the person talk, no? So the update na wetin happen, wetin really happen. Una know say many people dey ask say wetin happen, e dey sick, na accident abi dem na people come rob, na dem come, people dey ask many questions. So the update, as we take still hear wetin go on, una see this video. This one na the last video wey im do the time wey dey come for river, because him go do juju. Na know when dem dey do olokun and god this thing, him go do am. This one na the video wey dey come from that river. So as dem dey come for inside that river now, dem say that when dem reach house, na know say dem come dey dance, dey do all this na the tradition wey dem dey do for our state. So when e come dey dance, so just like that, he just fall. No, dem dey think say maybe na juju na him catch am. Na know as dem take dey do when dem dey do that thing. Sometimes the ebo go hold dem, e go, e dey happen. So dem come dey think say maybe na the juju na him hold am as he dey dance. So sotey then dem come see say no be juju o, this one don pass juju o, because e be like say e come dey call him mother or something like that. So na him dem come carry am, because see say no be juju, na dem come carry am rush am go hospital. So when dem reach hospital now, say before dem reach, because dem say reach hospital, na there na him give up. So doctor come talk say na heart attack na him cause am. So my brothers and sisters, na that one na be the wetin we don hear say, see wetin happen. Because many people dey ask say wetin happen, because e no sick, e no do this one, why e just be say e reach house now, e never even reach a week, this thing come happen. So as we still stay here say see wetin happen, person wey dey there wey see wetin happen, wey near am, na him still talk am come and say see as e take happen. Na dance e dey dance, once na e just fall. As e fall, na dem rush am, dem quick rush am go hospital, because dem bin dey think say na juju o, na juju hold am o, e go release am just now. You know say sometimes when the juju go hold dem go dey talk many things. When dem come see say no be juju, na dem take rush am go hospital. I will still put the audio, more na lis ten to that person wey talk am. My brothers and sisters, in any way, because many know say we dey believe in many things, say maybe na wetin happen, wey maybe na house na dem for do wetin dem do. But make we still remember say sometimes person go get problem, e go get sickness for body, e no tell anybody, e go just hold am for himself. E still dey happen. Or na know say some people dey wey get this thing wey dem dey call asthma. No, if e fall for ground, if you no see that thing wey dey press for mouth, e go just give up for there. E still dey happen. Even this attack wey this heart attack wey dem still dey talk so, e fit happen to anybody. No mean say you small, you big. We dey hear news wetin dey happen up and down. E dey. You just see say 16 years old, e just sleep, e no wake up again, or since e just fall, na so e reach. E dey happen because of the way wey our place be, na make us we dey too much dey throw mouth, dey say maybe na something. Na because of that one, because and we grow like that. As we take grow like that, we dey think that way. Which is when doctor come control, say, because if na say make dem give us, maybe na poison, na dem still discover and say see wetin happen. Since doctor say na heart, so e be like say the dance come too much, e dey happen. Because everybody no be the same. I know say some people dey wey dey sporting, e dey sport, wey some dey another sport for a life, wey go just run small, e might go dey make gboo, go be like say e wan just faint. May I put the video, more na lis ten, una do well.
Like new, Imaimo Boy Gwanye live show were there in Nigeria stage, but we no soon no, e matter no. E Dr. Oguname Ogune, matter no Ogune. Ne dia, wason, ora riku wa ku. So bani na wa collapse. Iriya ya rush at the hospital. So on a give up. Hospital na give up. Everything and fear. Because area no na do gear boni. That's an area ni mistake. You understand it now? So iriya ya rush at the hospital. Amagi hospital. So everything and fear.
Yare. Track two. Track two. Thank you very much. Don't fall out. Okay. Waya say oh yare. The different.
My people, na the video be that wey take go river na be that now na your watch, and na the audio of the person wey talk wetin happen that very day, cause na on Tuesday na e happen, because na make many people come dey doubt say person wey dem see online wey dey do live video about 3-4 days ago, why una go dey talk say see wetin happen to am. So na the truth na be that, my people. So I pray may God give the family the strength to pass all this problem, especially the children wey leave behind wey dey for Germany, because dem go dey happy say their father go Nigeria, he go e country, but dem come dey sad now come see say their father no come back again. E go dey very very difficult to explain to them say see wetin happen. Dem no go still understand, especially because dem dey small, dem no dey know the meaning of say person no dey again. E go, dem go dey feel say maybe e no wan come back again. Na the children go dey feel. Dem no understand well say no be say no wan come back again, e just end like that, e life just go like that. I pray may God give the children all the whole strength, make dem take pass all this thing wey happen to their father, because e no easy at all. Even person wey don grow up, e no still easy for am, when dem tell you say your mother or your father just go like that, you no fit take am. Talk less of say small pikin wey never big, wey never reach adult age. E dey very very hard before dem come dey pass through many things. Now no, when children dey pass through, maybe that moment e need the father, e no see am tell, especially when something just like this, e go for visit, e no come back again. Before you go accept am, e go hard well, e go hard. Person wey be adult, if you tell am say im mother don comot, e go hard before e go accept. Talk of say small pikin, e go dey very very hard. I pray make Baba God may go guide them, may help them pass through, may help them for all this thing wey dem dey pass through. So because my brothers and sisters, I no know the way dem take tell those children, really, and e still get mother. Now wow, my people, my brothers and sisters, e no easy to hear something like this. Person still get mother, because the mother go dey happy as e see pikin come Africa, say you see my pikin, the day when she go comot, na this one go stand for me. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Amen.